Welcome back, everybody. Turn 3, and things are about to get real on our firefight on the knob. Well, we're through all of our cards. We're in close proximity. We need to draw an initiative card and see what the heck's going to happen. Charlie's good. Abel's good. Baker's not so great. +1 friendly shooting, which cannot hurt. I will take that. Like I have an option. +1 friendly shooting, I got to put those out. So I remember my +1s. Put a bunch of them. Well, I won't need it there, but I will need it down here. All right. There. That's enough reminders. I'm pretty stupid. Run and gun here. Evading here, get off that hill. Aim fires, wait for them to come to me. We'll try to sweep the level 1 hills and wait for them to close on me. We've got a melee with a Charlie and a Baker. Charlie's pretty good, Baker's not so great. Hopefully we can get a hit in there. Down here, rapid fires. Because we're in close proximity, and who knows what these guys are going to do. At least we can fire on them if they close on us. Yeah, that's us. Now, we need to roll for their reinforcements. It's turn 3. They roll a 1. 5 to 9 is reinforced. They did not get them. No reinforcements this turn. So all I got to do is give them their orders. And I will do that off camera. I'll see you guys in a little while. Alrighty, back again after lunch. Hey, I just realized, got a couple rerolls up here. I can't remember if I rolled a 0 or not. Well, it was mostly just spotting, and I know we didn't roll any 0s on hits, I don't think. I'll remember that going forward. I'm not going to back up and try to undo anything. It'll be on shots now, so it'll hurt more, not less. And I've still got, what, 6 of these guys, rerolls up here. I've been using personal ones so far. Alright, that said, it's Charlie, Abel, blue, red, Baker, yellow, white. We're in turn 3, impulse 1. Charlie, Abel, blue, red, Charlie. Charlie, aim fire. Nobody to spot. Can't fire. Abel, Charlie. Nobody to spot. Can't fire. Abel, Charlie, Charlie. Aim fire. Nobody to spot. Can't fire. In here we got Charlie in melee. Not this turn. Not this impulse. Down here we got a rapid fire. I can do that. We got a guy charging me. That's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. He's going to charge him. And we got a sprint. The sprint one's closer. Let's do that. We have +1 weapon skill. It's 6. 5-4 for the rapid fire. 5-6 for being adjacent. 7 for weapon skill. Sprinting in the open is -1. That's 6. All the way back down to 6. 7. I'm going to use one of my rerolls. I want to hit him. 7. Damn it. That's what they're for. 9. 5 hits him, and we're deadly. Bad wound, KIA. Made it worth it. But do the right soldier, Cliff. There, KIA'd him. Not label. Give him a kill. Cookie. There kills. And he's already spotted Charlie. Abel's. Aim fire here, can't spot nobody to shoot. This is a Charlie. Aim fire here, can't spot nobody to shoot. And Abel here is a rapid fire going after this guy. Alright, gotta pause. Okay, little phone call. This guy is going to be spotted. He's an 8, 9, 10, 9, 8. 3 shots for 8. Three hits and he's deadly. Yep. KIA, light wound, close call, light wound, bad wound, bad wound. KIA'd him on the first card. Enter kills. KIA equals 1. Okay, those 2 kills. 1, 2. No, wrong piece. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, they're vaporized. Blue, red, blue. Run and gun, 6. Can't spot anybody. Sprint 6. Can't spot 1 space on the first impulse, Cliff. Can't spot anybody. Is it red first? No, it's blue then red. Blue. Can't do this. Reds. Sprinting 5. He's in the open. Can't spot anybody. This guy's hidden by that tree. Run and gun 6. Got an aim fire here. He can't shoot this impulse. Nobody to spot. That's blue-red. Bicker. Run. Evade. Baker's in melee. Yellow, white. Evade 5. Can't spot. Aim fire. Can't spot. Slow suppress. Not this impulse. Nobody knew to spot. Nope. Run and gun 1. Nobody knew to spot. Last one white. White. Evade 5. Nobody to spot. Evade 6. Nobody to spot. Impulse 2, Charlie Able. Charlie, got a name Fire. Range of 7. Range of 8. He's sprinting. He's slow suppressed. Let's do the sprinting in the open. He's a 4. 5, 4, 3. 2. Get a hit. Close call. Passes. Charlie. Charlie here. Got 2 of them. I can make that. I'm going to take Doc at the far one. 8, 9, 8, 7. Looks like a hit. Doc, bad wound. Fails, goes down 2. That was Doc. Killer here is going to fire at this closer one. 7, 8, 7. He's slow suppress in crater. It's a 0 crater. -1. 7, 8, 7, 6. Hits. Close call. Five, 4, 3, fails, goes down 1. And he becomes a duck back. Oh, he doesn't move yet. Still on Charlie. Big Jim here. Along with Bucko. Big Jim's going to go after this duck back. Duck back in the open. Duck back in the open. It's a 0. So Big Jim's a Charlie. He's a 5. 1, 2, it's a 0. 6, 5. 3 shots for 5 with Big Jim. 3 8s. Fine, then we'll do Bucko 4, 5, 4, 5. Charlie Thumper needs a 7. 5 hits in melee. KIA. I'll duck back. It's Charlie. Got a rapid fire here. He can't spot. Abel. Aim fire here. The only thing he's got is this shot here. He's ducked back in the open. We already shot them. It was an Abel. Here's an aim fire. 6, 7, 6. 4 hits. Light wound. He needs a 1. Fails, goes down 2. He's routing. That takes him down another 1. It's Charlie, Charlie, Baker, Charlie, Abel, rapid fire, nobody to spot. Blue, red, blue, running gun, cannot gun, so he's going to run 6, 1. Sprint, 6. Blue. Red. Becomes a hide. Running gun. Can't gun. It's going to run 6. Aim fire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He's a 5. Minus 3 is a 2. 1. Duck back and rocks. Minus 1. 5 shots for a 0. And a... That's 1 hit. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 hit. Who's it going to be? Checkmate is odd. Thumper is even. Checkmate. Bad wound. Needs a 3. Goes down 2. We got a medic with him. Thumper. They're going to be hiding in rocks soon. Charlie should have been able to shoot at him. Didn't he shoot? 3, 4, 3. He should have shot at him. That's a hit. Because he was a 3, 4, 3, aim, fire in the open. Yeah, that's a hit. What did they draw? A friendly event. A bad wound. I'm going to say we got the bad wound on him first. Kills him. This guy's going to be ducked back by himself, and he would have hidden. Totally missed this. I'm all futzed up. There are 4 kills out here. Where are they? 1, 2, 3. Where's my 4th kill at? There's nobody there. We're there. Here. Nobody there. We're there. There. That's 1. Oh yeah, this one. 4. Who shot and hit that? That's why. Never mind. We didn't get that guy. They were in melee. That's what was going on. There. Thumper does get a bad wound. And he went down 2. And they're ducked back. I'm better now. I ran in a big circle there. Sorry. I forgot. This was a melee hex, and now he was able to shoot in there. That's why I gave him an automatic aim fire. He wouldn't have been able to shoot in there as long as there was melee, but I figured if melee stopped, he would be able to shoot. And he did. And he hit. Alright. That's red. Baker. Oh, this is impulse 2, gun. Can't gun. Can he? Yeah, he can. All the way down here. Region 9. Ooh, I think that touches. Yeah, that touches. Just barely. So instead, we're going to run him. Going to evade him. And here's a Baker who's now going to duck back to hide. Yellow, white. This impulse 2, he's going to go 4. Nobody to spot. Because they're already spotted. He's in the open. Aim fire, can't shoot. Becomes a hide. I'm going 6. Can he gun? He can gun over here. That's open. 4, 2, 1, -1. No. White. Evading 1. Nobody new to spot. They're in the open now and exposed. White. Evading 4. Nobody new to spot. Evading 5. Nobody new to spot. Run and gun. 5. Should have run and gunned. Get him up where I can see him. He's invisible to me for some reason. Impulse 3, Charlie Able. Charlie. Aim fire. Cannot spot. A killer. Cannot spot. Aim fire here. Cannot spot. Cannot spot. I don't think. No. Yeah. A 4 and an 8. Evading open 5 and a 9. Yeah, we spotted them. Charlie here is hiding. Charlie here is rapid firing. Abel's. Aim firing cannot spot. That's killer underneath. And this guy cannot spot. And my able down here is rapid firing. Blue, red, impulse 3. Blue. Sprinting 6. Nobody to spot. Run and gun 6. Run. Red. Run. Hide. Run. Aim, fire. That's red. Baker. Run. Spot. Spotted. Right next door. Evade. Nobody else to spot. One more Baker. Hiding. Yellow, white, impulse 3, yellow. Evade 5. Melee. Aim, fire. Hiding. I think he can't spot when he's in melee. Run and gun 1. Run. White. Evading 6. Evading 5. Evading 5. Impulse 4. Charlie Able. Impulse 4. Charlie's. Aim, fire. They jumped off the hill just in time. They're out of LOS. The only thing I could see is this guy who's hidden in the open. It's a -2. It's 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. 3. Misses. This guy is a 7, 8, 7, 6, 5. 0. Get rid of a reroll. 6 hits. Oh, I forgot my friendly event a long time ago. 9. That turns it into a enemy event, pretty sure. Enemy event. 4. '81s. D10. 3 '81s. 4. 3 '81s. 1, 2, 3. The numbers are going to be 1, 9, and 9. 27, 11, 12, 10. 27, 11. 12, 10. The 2 here are going to scatter direction 2, 1. Boom. Crater. No. Smoke. Morale check. 4, 5. 9 goes down 2. And becomes duck back. This one goes 1, 2. Boom. 81. Both of these guys. Option. I want the characteristics. I want the indirect. Four for 5. Aim fire in the open is a 0. Gunner. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 hits on the gunner. Bad wound, KIA. Gunners, KIA'd. And the assistant, 1 hit. Bad wounded. He's a 4 minus 3 minus it's 2, 3. Fails, goes down 2. He started as gold and he goes down 2. And he's ducked back. And we place a smoke. And this guy takes a morale check. It's a 4, passes. This guy takes a morale check. 4, fails. He's ducking back. He goes down 1. And where's that last one? It was way the heck off to the side. He scatters 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Crater. Yeah. And smokes. Nobody's there to morale check. I've totally forgotten where I was because I totally broke up my concentration. Charlie's. This is a Baker. Charlie here shot and hit this hiding guy, I think. I'm going to stop it, go back and check, and then I'll come back. Alrighty, so I'm back. This guy missed. It was Killer who hit Charlie, and he hits this guy who's now going to be a duck back. He gets 1 card. I get my cards over here. He draws a light wound. Well, we're slowly plinking at him. He's still routing. Still routing. Okay, Charlie. This is enable. Here we got a couple aim fires. Can't see them. Can't see them. I can see him. Can't see him. There's nobody up on the level 1 hill that I can see. It's just this guy ducking back in the open. Big Jim. 5, 6, 5, 4. I think duck back in the open. 5. 3 shots for 5. 2 hits. Big Jim's got nothing. Close call. Light wound. Close call. Yeah, he's still routed. Light wound kills him. Big Jim gets the kill. That gives us 1 more in the confidence tracker. Bucko here. Can't see anybody. Can they spot? Bucko's gonna try to spot him. Bucko spots him. Thumper. They're hiding. A rapid fire here. Makes it through. Six, 7, 6. Evading in trees. Four. A 0. Must rerolls are gone. 8. Take a reroll. 7. Forget it. Besides, it's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. It's alright. It's alright. Able. Aim fire here. There's nobody on the hill anymore. Aim fire here. touches that tree. Rapid fire here. Blue, red. Blue. Run and gun cannot gun. So he's going to run one. Hiding. Red. Gunning can't. Runs 5. Hiding. 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 Baker. Melee here. 8, 9. Hits. Close call. Damn it. Fails. No, I think he passes. Join him. Hiding. Yellow, white. Hits. Close call. Passes. Aim fire. No targets. Run and gun, can't gun, run 6. White. Evading 1. Evading 4. Up into the trees. Evading 5. Into the open. That is everything. A very trying turn with this machine gun. He's now smoked and it's got no loader. He's badly wounded. Let's see what their tally should be for their confidence now. Nothing there. Nothing there. There's 1 bad wound. That's 1. That's 2. And then the kills. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. They should be down 12. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The artillery helped out for once. And it was them dropping short rounds on their own guys. Impulse goes back to 1. Markers come off. Go to turn 4. Go to the display. Get rid of the cards. Remove the moves. Remove the orders. Let's go to my hand. Draw our initiative card. Nothing. Charlie's really good. Baker's pretty good. Abel is at the end. This is not bad. Baker's got a really good number, and we're in melee with Baker with 2 8s and rerolls. So that bodes well, famous last words, for this melee up here. Let's put the melee on top so we see it. He's obviously spotted, now he's in melee. So we're all spotted. Spotted, 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 spotted. Checkmate's down with a bad wound. We're going to use Thumper to patch him up this turn. We can cover him. We're just going to patch him in place, try to get him back online. Thumper's not badly wounded. Checkmate is. There. Cautious, bad wound. He's going to rally. He's going to do medical aid. And these guys are going to cover. Down here, we need to watch for these guys coming through. We'll probably put an aim fire here and a running gun here. That'll keep me enough mobility. I'm just going to put the orders on now while I'm talking about it. Running gun and aim fire. This could be a rally. Other orders. This other order. Medical aid. Don't know why it doesn't give me medical aid sometimes. There. I'm going to put aim fires on these guys for covering our position. Got a melee here. And we're just going to do an aim fire here too. So we got to finish this melee. We're letting them come to us. It's turn 4. Turn 5 they get to roll for reinforcements again. They'll be close to breaking contact, but the reinforcements will probably bolster them. So I'll see you guys next time.